Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Thinkings. Today we are diving into the world of landscape. Follow along as we draw a beautiful natural scenery perfect for all skill levels. Grab your sketchbook and pencils and let's get started. Start by lightly drawing a horizontal lines across your paper for the horizon. This will separate the sky from the land. Next, sketch the basic shapes of the landscape elements such as mountains, hills, or trees. Keep your lines light so you can easily adjust them later. Focus on the foreground by adding more details to the element closest to you. Draw a wide-winding path or a small stream leading to the scene. Add rocks, grass, and small bushes along the path. Remember to vary the size and shape to make it look natural. Now let's add some trees. Start with the trunk, making them thicker at the base and tapering as they go up. Move on to the middle ground. Here you can add elements like rolling hills or additional trees. In the background, add distinct mountain or a forest. Use lighter lines and fewer details to suggest distance. Let's work on the sky. Draw a few clouds using soft, rounded shapes. Go over your drawing with a fine tip pen or a darker pencil to finalize the lines. Add shading to the elements to create depth and dimension. Pay attention to the light source when shading to make your landscape look realistic. Smooth out your shading with a blending tool or your finger for a more polished look. And there you have it, a stunning natural landscape. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give a like to this video and also like, comment and subscribe to Inspire Art Thinkings for more art tutorials. Happy drawing. Don't forget to pause the video if you need more time on any step. We would love to see your creation to share, so share them with us on a social media using the hashtag Inspire Art Linkings. See you in the next video.